In this short video, we're going to take a look at adding and editing product categories in Neato. Product categories are a great way to organize products in a manner that makes it easy for your customers to find. You can have parent categories and sub or child categories which fall under the parent. You can have as many subcategories linked to the parent category as you like. This is known as a product category tree or hierarchy. We recommend not exceeding 3 levels in your product category tree. When designing your product category tree, keep in mind any future growth plans, including the addition of any new lines. It is important to design your product category tree prior to adding products into the system. Product categories can also be added and updated when required as your business changes. Let's take a look at an example of a product category tree. In this example, we have a parent category of clothing, followed by a subcategory of men's clothing, with an additional subcategory under that of shirts. This is a good example of a product category tree that goes down to 3 levels. In this example, your customer would be able to easily navigate to men's shirts. Product categories can be added in a couple of different ways. They can be imported or updated in bulk using the data import tool, or they can be created and updated individually through the control panel. This video will take a look at creating and updating product categories individually through the control panel. From your control panel, hover over Products, and then select Product Categories from the menu. A list of product categories will now display. To add a new product category, select Add New from the top right-hand corner. Once in the new product category screen, the first thing you will need to do is select where in the hierarchy does this category fit in. Is it going to be a parent category? In which case, leave the parent content drop-down blank. If the product category is going to be a subcategory, select its parent category from the parent content drop-down. If this product category is going to go down to another level again, select its subcategory from the drop-down. Otherwise, leave this field blank. Enter the name for the new product category into the name field. Other additional options include creating your own URL for the category and adding a description. If the URL field is left blank, Neato will automatically create one for you. These fields are not mandatory fields and can be left blank. Select Continue to save your product category. Other additional options will now display. You can now add a short description and images if required. Whether or not this information will display on the web shop is dependent on your design. For example, if you have a page on your web shop that just displays product categories, you may wish to add an image to go with your product category. To add an image, select Choose File to search for the image on your computer. Otherwise, you can click and drag your image into the field. Select Save to finish adding your new product category into the system. There may come a time when you may wish to edit a product category. This could include making the category inactive, or you may wish to add an image to your product category after design change. Let's take a look at how to edit a product category. Navigate to the product category list. If you have left this page, simply hover over Products and then select Product Categories. Beside the product category you wish to add, select the pencil icon and then select Edit. The product category will now display for editing. Over on the right-hand side, you have options such as Active, Visible on Menu, and Visible on Sitemap. If you want to make this category inactive, you simply uncheck the Active checkbox. Edit any other details as necessary, and then select Save. Your product category has now been edited.